Today, we're exposing the deceitful practices of a notorious scam broker, Wealthecommerce.com. Hello, everyone. I'm John, and today we're diving deep into the troubling world of Wealthecommerce.com. This company has left a trail of financial devastation in its wake, and it's time to shed light on their deceptive tactics. From unauthorized transactions to withheld withdrawals, Wealthecommerce.com has shown a blatant disregard for the well-being of its clients. It's clear that this company is not operating with integrity or transparency. Our investigation into Wealthecommerce.com has revealed a disturbing pattern of misconduct. Countless victims have come forward with harrowing tales of manipulation, fraud, and financial ruin at the hands of this unscrupulous broker. However, there is hope. If you've been affected by Quinony.com or any other scam broker, know that you're not alone. At brokercomplaintalert.com, we're dedicated to helping victims recover their stolen funds and navigate the complex process of seeking restitution. Our team provides guidance, support, and resources to empower individuals to fight back against financial fraud. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and remember that help is always available at brokercomplaintalert.com.